everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I am thrilled to be with my friend Terry of David Weekley Homes, and we are in the beautiful community of the Colony at 20 Mile, and as everyone knows, the Colony at 20 Mile is fast selling out, so you need to call Terry today because she's going to show us this quick move-in home that's available for you. Thanks for coming out, Terry, to let us come out and see you.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us in Walkthrough Wednesday. And this is our Broadbent floor plan. It's a 3-car garage home. Beautiful features inside, and we're gonna walk through and take a peek.
I love, as we came up, I want to let everyone know, because where Terry and I stood, you can't see the length of this driveway, but if you could quickly just pan around, Carling.
Yeah.
I know we've got cars out here, but I just wanted to show, I put Carling's car there because I wanted to show that you could really put 4 cars in a row, but 8 total, comfortably on this driveway, and that's not even including using that 2-car garage. So is it only a 2-car garage, Terry, or you got something special to show us?
It's a 3-car garage, and here we have a single garage that's perfect for storage, golf cart parking, or if someone has maybe a collectible car that they want to keep separately, this can make a great space.
And this is a very sizable extra garage, so this 3rd car is very important because not all these homes have 3-car garages. So for this David Weekley floor plan, I think that is a big selling feature. I love this entry area, this beautiful, and it's big. So if you do have kids, I just want to let you know you've got safe space right here that your kids can play. You can sit out here. You've got some shade if it is a sunny day like right now. But I want to go inside. I love the beautiful solid door here.
Thank you.
So what's our square footage on this home, Terry?
So this home is 2,560 total square foot. And it's a great layout because it's a split floor plan. So if we walk through here, we're going to be able to see one of the guest suites that's private. So if anyone has needs an in-law suite, this could be a perfect space.
So you've got a nice little, their own entry area, big door, always the tall doors in David Weekley. And look, it's like a separate little suite. So if you do have multi-generational living, or you have that adult child coming back to live with you after school, you have an older parent coming to live with you, this is a floor plan you need to see.
And it has a walk-in closet, so perfect spacing, like you said, for an in-law. You can see the beautiful upgrades. I don't know if you can zoom in on that shower that has the glass enclosure and the beautiful floors. The gray countertop, faucets have been upgraded as well throughout, and lighting.
And I love the floor. This is that wood tile floor, correct?
Absolutely. The entire home has the wood plank tile floor, so no carpet at all in this home. The entire flooring has been upgraded. So through here we have a storage closet, and this will be the entry into the 2-car garage. So you have a separate 2-car garage, so kind of like a little drop zone here.
I'm opening storage. Carling, I love the David Weekley storage, so we gotta always show storage. So a great place, you've got your drop zone, and you can use this to hang purses and jackets, whatever you need.
Exactly.
And then let's go over here, because I love this office area. Nice, beautiful. Got crown molding up at the top.
Yes. Crown molding on the top, and you have also, as you can see, the windows have already the blinds included as well. Very spacious study. You can make also that into a den or an office area that can fit even to
playroom.
Yeah, playroom.
A TV room if you did want your kids in a separate place from you. This is, this really is a great floor plan. Have you seen this floor plan before, too?
It's a brand new floor plan that we're building here in the colony, so we've never built this floor plan before in any community, so the plan is brand new.
Oh, that's important to know.
Yeah. And here to your left, you have the laundry room, very, very spacious with a nice folding table there.
It really is a spacious laundry room. Very, very big. I love it. And then a full bath with that goes with the 2 bedrooms. And again, look at the cabinetry. A lot of attention to detail in this home. I'm gonna peek into these 2 bedrooms.
This home has 8-foot doors throughout with 10-foot ceilings.
Because it just seems so big. I was just telling Terry as we came in, this home with the square footage. It's a nice square footage that a lot of people are asking for, but it just seems bigger than a little over 2,500. It
Yes.
really seems a lot larger than that.
It does, yes. It's 2,560 square foot, and everyone comments on how big it feels, how open it feels. Look at the space for entertaining, you guys. It's amazing.
It really is a great space, and I think with the amount of windows that are in here, with all that natural light, the height of the ceilings, the height of the door frames, it really is a great home.
Yes.
Now let's talk about this kitchen.
Oh my gosh. So the kitchen, we have an extended island, great for entertaining, tons of prep space here. The cabinets have been upgraded as well. You have this beautiful big brick tile backsplash that has been done. So custom backsplash here. Under cabinet lighting, as you can see, and we added the dual ovens. So for those that love to bake, this home has the double oven feature, and we moved the microwave here in the island. It also has a 5-burner gas cooktop with the designer vent hood going to the ceiling. You can see the brick pattern also going to the ceiling as well.
This really is a great gourmet kitchen. I want to entertain, I want to cook in here. And I don't cook, Terry, so that's a big deal. I want to cook, but I want to purchase food and put it out on this island. This is the most sizable, huge island. It is so long.
Yeah, and as you're cooking and prepping, you don't miss what's going on in the home because you have an open floor plan, that open concept that David Weekley has, where you have beautiful sight lines throughout.
Let's show this space over here.
Dining areas, you can see all the light fixtures. If you want to point out to the light fixtures, the dining room, the kitchen pendant lights here, also all the light fixtures in the home have been upgraded.
And y'all have a great designer always in your model home, so I'm thrilled to see it carried over into this quick move-in home that's available for people, because the lighting is beautiful. But also, as Terry just pointed out, the size of this eating area, if you do have that 12-person long rectangle table or a large round table, this space could accommodate it. It really is a big space. Can we go outside, because this view is really incredible.
Yes, let's take a look outside.
And also, as we're going out, Terry's going to point out, I want you to talk about the Colony Park, Terry, because that's something unique to purchasing in this neighborhood.
Absolutely. So the Colony Park has a dog park, multiple sports field, pavilion, and we can actually see it from here. That's how close it is to this home, where it's actually within a walking distance. We do have sidewalks on both sides of the street in this neighborhood, which is real important. And you can see the beautiful lake view that you get actually from this home site. If we can show here to the right, this is a corner home site, so it has plenty of room here if someone is looking to create some entertainment space out here, and you won't have a neighbor next to you. So very, very spacious.
And also, when you buy that corner lot, you even get more yard space than the average buyer. So that's even better. And that Colony Park has been a huge selling point to this community. People love it with the open air pavilion, the playgrounds, and the dog parks.
Yes.
That is a big thing. And the sidewalks, so if you do have a young child or just a preteen, they can safely walk there on the sidewalk the whole way.
Yes.
So now let's go into the owner suite.
Yes, very spacious owner suite. This floor plan has an extended owner's option, which has been added to this home, so plenty of space here to do a nice king-size bedroom set. And you have the transom windows there for extra lighting. You can point to the ceilings. You have the tree ceiling there with a beautiful upgraded ceiling fan as well.
Really nice. And also, because you put these two windows so much higher, you can have some great decorations and great furniture right here, which I love.
Absolutely.
Okay, this bathroom is beautiful. I love the shower specifically. People have to comment about that.
Oh yeah, they do. They love the tile work that was done in the walls. If you can point to the floor, it also has that beautiful tile in the floor, range shower head, and again, lighting with that transom window up on the top, and you still have privacy here.
But you see that they extended the tile all the way to the ceiling, the frameless glass on one side, and then you just walk right in. It's a great size shower. I absolutely love it. And look at the double sinks, plenty of space to put all your toiletries when you are doing stuff. And then the closet. And everybody knows from previous David Weekley homes, Terry and I both love a good closet.
Yes.
And this is a nice nice size closet.
And you have the luggage shelf there to store your luggages or any heavy items that you have in the home. And if you can point here behind you, there's also a shoe rack here.
Yeah. That was a smart how you laid out all the racks in there. That was a smart design to really show the buyer the amount of space
It
that's
also
in there.
has a linen closet here.
Okay, can we show that?
Yeah, more closet space. We like to show the closets, yeah.
That's huge.
Okay, now that, it's not a standard, just so you know, not a standard linen closet. It really is oversized, so you can even hang a bunch of stuff on the walls also.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. That is my favorite linen closet right now of all of David Weekley. I'm just gonna be honest, favorite linen closet. Well, storage is important for people because so many of our friends that move here are coming from other states where they may have a lot of stuff. So I like that they don't have to get rid of everything when they move to Florida.
Yes.
Even though here we do have great weather year round. So I want to remind people that we are in the colony of 20 Mile, and 20 Mile is on the northeast corner of Nocatee. One of the huge selling points of this area is, of course, sidewalks everywhere within the neighborhoods, connecting the neighborhoods, but a sidewalk the entire way to your feet in the sand. So you can ride your bike and you can walk to the beach. We're less than 4.5 miles to the beach, everyone. But guess what? You're not paying those premium prices you get at the beach, right?
Absolutely.
So you need to move to the colony and you can make all your beach friends jealous.
Yes.
Plus you get water parks in Nocatee. We have the beautiful spray park, splash park. We have tons of amenities. You have endless, that you can go
Absolutely.
to. You're never bored.
Never.
bored. in
Kayak
Nocatee.
lounge that's just around the corner from here. If
Kayak
anyone likes to
launches.
kayaking.
I don't know why anyone wouldn't move to Nocatee. I think
I
they're
don't
foolish.
know.
Okay, so let's remind people, you're gonna buy a David Weekley home. You're gonna buy this home with the beautiful Terry. And again, tell us the floor plan one more time.
So this is the Broadbent, 2,560 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath plus an office, and it's priced at $501.
I'm buying it. All right, bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Vlog
Thank
for
you.
Wednesday.